What's up, guys? In today's video, we will be learning about how to write to a Python file. So before we get started, please subscribe and hit the like button if you like my content. And I post weekly on Saturday. So let's get right into the video. So first, how do you write to a file in Python? I'm going to show you the syntax. If you haven't already, it'll be helpful to watch my previous video. I'll leave a link down in the description below. But first, we got to open our file. So we have file equals, and then we gotta put open, and then parentheses, and then quotations, and put our file name. And we have a file from the previous video. I'm just gonna be using that in today's video, and it has Python programming fun and easy. So I'm just gonna be using this file. And then inside the open statement, we gotta put in our file name, which is file.txt. And then in the last video, inside the second quotations, we put an R because we wanted to read the file. In this video, to write to a file, we gotta put a W. And then to close the file, we have to do file.close and then put parentheses. So that's how you open and close the file. But how do you write to it? To write to it, you gotta do file.write and then put parentheses, and then you gotta put inside quotations whatever you want to write to it. So I'm just gonna say I'm learning how to write to a Python file. So basically this is gonna write this inside the file.txt. So if we save this and then we run it, let's just give it a second. When we go to file.txt, it says I'm learning how to write to a Python file. You guys are probably wondering, why did it clear the previous characters and words inside this file? So I will teach you how to write to a Python file in a different video without deleting the stuff inside the file already. But now I'm just going to show you how to write multiple lines inside this file using Python. So let's say we want to write a second line, but we can start from here. We can do file.write parentheses, quotations, and then we can just say Python is fun, and then exclamation marks. And then we can save this and we can run this really quick. And now when we go to our file, let's give it a second. There we go. It shows that these two sentences are on the same line. How to get around this is you gotta put a \n here, and then put a \n here. So this will tell the computer that there's a new line. Now once we save this and run it, it should have a new line. So now we have two lines. Each sentence is on a different line. So that's just how to write to a file in Python. And thanks for watching this video. And as always, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. And also, stick around. You might learn something new from one of my future videos. Thanks for watching.